Aslama. Hello, it's Vivian from the Weaver's Door, sharing another story in our series, Keeping Up with the Tunisians. Today we're home making Brek. This is Reem, my niece. She's making Brek tonight as our evening meal. Lunches are the bigger meal in Tunisia. Dinner is pretty light. Brek is one of my favorite street foods that has a super crunchy shell with a soft filling inside. The shell is pre-made by women at home. Brek shells get their crunchiness from semolina flour and water. Making Brek starts with separating the handmade shells and folding. Layla, Reem's mom, starts by folding the edges of the separated shells, then folds corner to corner. Meanwhile, Reem is cutting both a potato and onion into small squares. She chops parsley and boils all of them together in a small pan with water till the potatoes are tender. Next, we mash the filling and mix in salt, pepper, tuna, and cheese. Mix well. Separate pan, Reem is heating vegetable oil. Add the Brek filling in the shell by making a well where the whole egg will go. We add harissa. The last step is cracking the egg in the middle. Next, we fold the shell corner to corner, and using the plate, we gently slide the Brek into the heated oil for cooking. It takes some skill to get the Brek in and cooking without spilling or breaking the egg. I know this firsthand. We flip the Brek to cook on both sides and do the same steps for 5 more. For the last 6 Breks, we're adding egg and harissa to the remaining potato mixture. We fill these shells lengthwise and cook on both sides. It's hot and it's ready. We add freshly squeezed lemon juice on top to serve. If you have an opportunity to try one, or better yet, make one, they are very much worth it. Well, that's all for now. Shukran, Reem. Our stories make you grin. Show some love by hitting the thumbs up. And keep up with the Tunisians by subscribing to our channel below. Until next time. Find this video and more at theweaversdoor.com.